Welcome to the world of colors. Let's explore and have fun. Red. Apple and fire truck are red in color. Yellow. Banana and sun are in yellow color. Green. Green leaf and green frog. Blue. Sky and ocean are in blue color. Orange. Carrot and orange are in orange color. Purple. Grapes and eggplant are in purple color. Pink. Pink flamingo and pink cotton candy. Brown. Brown chocolate and tree trunk. Black. Panther and coal are in black color. White. Snow and milk are in white color. Gray. Elephant and ash powder are in gray color. Gold. Gold crown and gold coins. Silver. Silver spoon and robot. Beige. Sand and teddy bear are in beige color. Indigo. Blueberry and night sky are in indigo color. Maroon. Bricks and maroon cake. Peach. We have peach fruit and seashell in peach color. Lime green. Lime and grasshopper are in lime green color. Keep shining with colors. Thank you for learning colors and watching this video. Thank you, Twinkles.